Right, it's back together, and I had an E40 error. No idea what that was. I think the door lock wasn't adjusted properly. I've just pushed it, banged it, and give it a whack, and it seems to be. Right, so we're on quick wash, mixed fabrics, and we're going to see if it leaks. I'm surprised it even turned back on. As soon as it starts pushing water in, we'll know. Because it just poured straight back out, straight away. It just came out the bottom down there, straight away. Come back in about an hour and there'll be a swimming pool. It's bone dry, it's done.